Hi, I'm here today to show you how to sprout. What you'll need is a mason jar or 2 or 3 and some cheesecloth, rubber bands, scissors, sprout seeds, and water. Okay, first I'd like to cut out a piece of cheesecloth that will go right over the top. Then you take your rubber band and secure it on the top there, like that. Now you see this one? It's a little small, so I'll show you how I cut it out here. Can you see me? Okay. Just kind of do it like this. And just trim off the extra. Like that. Okay, so I take the sprouts, pour them in the jar, put your cheesecloth on the top. Look at this piece here. You really want to have it kind of double thickness, especially with small seeds. These are alfalfa, so they're very small. I'll try this here. Okay, then we pour this water to cover the sprouts and give them a good rinse. Shake that up. And you're going to pour that water out that you rinse the sprouts in. And then you're going to put more water in, about the same amount. I just cover it with my hand just to kind of get the sprouts back in the bottom. So you're going to take this and you're going to put this in a dark cupboard or a closet for 8 hours. And that's the first part of sprouting. So let's say we come back after 8 hours and we have this mixture of water with sprouts. You're going to pour this off, okay? And then you're going to take something like this, maybe like a dish rack, or just lean it up against the wall, but the sprouts are going to have to be diagonal like this so that the water can drain. And you rinse the sprouts in the morning and at night. And you drain them, and after about 3 or 4 days, you'll probably have at least 3/4 of this full of sprouts. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that. It's my first sprouting video. Thanks so much.